Hey guys, we're the boss ass bitch. So
We're gonna sing.
I'm a boss ass bitch. Bitch.
yeah, but with some classical beats, okay? Not classical, but sick beats. Hope you like and subscribe this video, as this is gonna be cool. And I think the phone my father or something. Cool, right? Okay. I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch,
Bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch. Bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch. Bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch. Bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch.
Okay, now we're gonna sing sausage, okay? Keep the beat high. Everybody say sausage, keep that shit going. Eggs, bacon, grits.
Sausage.
That bitch, I'm gonna fuck that.
Sausage.
My eggs and my grits and my
Sausage.
syrup and my goddamn.
Sausage.
Give me that bitch, I wanna eat my.
Sausage.
Walk in the hotel, let me see my.
Sausage.
Sausage.
Sausage. Sausage.
Eggs, bacon, grits.
Sausage.
Till I put your leaf on my.
Sausage.
I got your beach and you wanna eat my.
Sausage.
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 Okay, guys.
In the next video, y'all are gonna watch me and Kaya blessed.
This is like this. This is like sick, nigga.
It's the real deal.
It's a real deal.
iPhone.
Yeah, I was bored and I just took off this shit. Yeah. So we're gonna be doing this shit. We're fucking bored. Gonna blast it up. But for now, we're not gonna do that because we're waiting for my friend. He's gonna be with us for this session. So thanks for watching my videos and like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.
Oh wait, advice. Tanky is an awesome game. At first it will be not cool, but get used to it.
Cool guys, like and subscribe my videos and peace.